Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're reading day I lost it. Sorry, guys. Day 34. Rebecca talks with God. Rebecca's belly was big and round. The baby kicked and kicked. Was something wrong? She prayed to God for help. God had an answer. Rebecca was not just having one baby. She was having twins. They would each grow up to be strong. God told her that they would each start a new nation of their own. Rebecca smiled. Uh, God never stops giving wonderful gifts. Dear God, when I am worried, I will tell you about it. You can answer all my questions as I grow. Amen. When when something is wrong, you should always ask God because he can do anything to fix it. It's like it's like when you're having a tummy ache or a headache, or maybe you're having a fever. Pray to God so that he can cure it right away. He might when you just got a fever today, he it might be cured just after 3 hours because God is the only one who did that. It's not like other people who did it. Of course, it's always God. That's why always pray, believe, and trust God. Also praise, of course. That that's why. Because He loves us all. He doesn't want us all to blame Him on something wrong. That's why he always cures things right away because he loves us. Thank you guys. Bye.